Yo, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back or to the channel. Alright, so we got something for the truck. Finally, I've been wanting these for such a long time. So you guys see these little turn signals down at the bottom? Man, I've been wanting to replace those ever since I got this truck. So I've replaced the headlights like 4 times, but your boy finally got some turn signals, dude. And these are like 15 bucks at the junkyard. But I got this right here. I found this. This is a Color Magic jet black polish. So yeah, I'm gonna try that out. Plus I've seen this. This is called Paint Sealant Renewer High Gloss, and I've never seen this stuff before. So I grabbed it. This was $1 each. So usually the junkyard doesn't make you buy these stuff because they can't sell things to you that are not car parts or, you know, stuff like that. They can only sell car parts from what I understand anyway, but apparently not. But then we got some water building up. Oh fuck, oh that ain't good. Where the hell is my drain at, bro? Anyway, I just want to say thank you to everybody that blew up the likes on the last video. The goal was 7, and the last time I checked it we had like 11. So that's what's up, man. Usually we don't get no likes, so that right there, man, that made me so freaking happy, dude. But yeah, man, hey, can we squash 5 likes on this video, or possibly even 10? All right, so you guys ready to see these? Pow. I know these ain't nothing special. I think they're actually the same as those, but they're a lot newer looking. And yeah, dude, I think it's gonna turn this truck out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. I think this might be the driver's side. Anyway, we'll get to that. I got a drill with a Phillips on it. Mine are actually broke, so I'm glad I'm replacing these now. Yeah. And plus, these things are just so freaking, so ugly, dude. But I used that freaking bug spray on them a long time ago to try to clean them up a little bit. I mean, I got rid of that yellowness, but they're still ugly as hell. But yeah, I took them apart and painted the insides black because I thought it would look good. Then I wasn't even plugged in, dude. What the hell? But yeah, I painted the insides black. But yeah, it didn't look right. Wait, let's see. Alright, so this would go in like that. But I need a, oh yeah, that looks good. That looks way better. I just need to fix the headlights up again. So I gotta plug these in and then I'll bolt those back up. Alright, so I got the new one in. I just gotta drill it down, or screw it down. Yeah, this grill is junk, dude. Damn. You gotta break it to get it in. Damn. Oh, there's one down. I don't know how. I don't know if I like that or not, dude. That might be too ugly. What do you guys think? You guys think that's ugly? So, time to do passenger side now. It's got R on it. For right. Yep. All right. Oh, there goes the screw. Yeah, this one was missing one. These things are so ass. Damn it. Give me up, bitch. Come here, pussy. Yeah, dude, these are clapped out, dude. Believe it or not, I had them in the wrong way. So I was looking at this, and this is inscribed. It's got FR on it for right front. And how to tell if these are upside down or not is they'll have a drain in it. So that drain right there goes on the bottom. So it goes like this. and goes right in, boom, just like that. Alright, you guys, and that is the finished product. Man, they look so out of place, bro. There's a YouTuber called Deadbeat Garage, but what he does when he paints like headlights and stuff like that, he'll take a clear coat and spray a little bit of black spray paint in it and mix it together because it tints it a little bit. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. I'm gonna try to I don't know how, but I want to try to tint these damn things with some spray paint and clear coat. But I'm not gonna do that in this video. This is what they look like at night, bro. This is freaking cool. That's what the brightness turns all the way down and back up. But hey, man, they look good.